Hello, you beautiful, beautiful people. Today we have an immigration lawyer.
I'm an attorney.
That immigration lawyer is having problems with his Google ads. They are not working. He's a Canadian immigration lawyer, and he is helping people who are in Canada and in the United States get off their work visas and get into the country and become good, productive citizens of Canada. And so we today are going to figure out what's going wrong. So let's do that. So, okay, we got some PMAX campaigns, we got some search campaigns, spending a good amount of money. Never trust this optimization score. This optimization score is done by Google, and Google lies.
This guy's a joke artist, and this guy's a liar.
Google does not tell the truth, and 1 out of every 700 people we're converting to a call, and then of those calls, 1 out of 10. So that means they have to get 7,000 people. So what they have is they have a form on their site that basically qualifies you to see if you are someone who is a good fit to use Canada's immigration pathways and like quickly become a citizen. And so they give this form to everybody so they know who to even offer a phone call to. Then they give a phone call to them at $275 an hour. And then after that phone call, if it works out well and they are good, they will be converted into a client at $3,500. The issue is they're only getting 1 out of every 700 people who fill out the form and qualify. So there's obviously a big problem somewhere. Either that or just no one wants to go to Canada, which I can understand. Really high housing prices, some issues going on. It's cold too. I hate the cold. Brr. So I'm going to try to figure out what the issue is here on here. So we can see they've got a bunch of conversions, very, very cheap. But yeah, that would mean that they need to get one like sale. They need 7,000 conversions. That's just bonkers, right? Like, what's going on there? That doesn't make sense. And you can see we do have conversions in the thousands. We have some of these are like marked purchase. What does that mean? That means that they are set. Yeah, never do this, guys. Never do a campaign specific conversion action. Why? You have one business. You have the things you want the business to do. Measure those things. Follow the KISS principle. Keep it simple. Stupid. Stupid, meaning you, meaning me, meaning everyone in the world, because we are all humans, and humans are not always the brightest of creatures. 90% of times I see ad accounts messed up. I see people losing hundreds of thousands of dollars because they did not make their ad accounts simple. Making your ad accounts simple is the first step. Do not make them complex unless they work when they are simple. Keep it simple. Kiss from me. What?
Huh?
No. 2 cents. We spent $1,776 and we got people to click for 2 cents. Nobody clicks for 2 cents. This is America. Everything costs money. People here are rich.
Yeah, boy.
And everyone in the world wants to advertise to us. 2 cents, 71,000 clicks. These are third world numbers. These ads are probably going somewhere else. They are going to Canada and the United States.
There's something fishy going on here, and I don't think it's the chicken.
I want to check something. This is odd.
Sherlock.
No! This is Patrick!
What?
So we are going to go to the Google Keyword Planner. The Keyword Planner is basically our research arm of Google. It's where we can go to take a look and see like, hey, how much should things cost? And how many searches are there? And do they go up in July or down in July? And all that stuff. And so what we're going to do, since this is so weird, is we're going to figure out what Google says, the clicks in Canada and the United States should be. Because 2 cents ain't it. I just trust you me. Trust you me. Come with me. Well, let's go to the Keyword Planner. And click it. And then we hit Discover New Keywords. So let's go Immigration Canada. Let's see. Okay, so Express Entry Canada. What's the cost on these? 65 cents to $1.85. Okay, well, that's not 2 cents. Let's see what the search terms are. So if we go back to the campaigns, and then we go into, let's just like go into one of these. Let's go search evaluation, one of these that doesn't have things. Okay, so prospecting, Express Entry Canada, Canada Immigration, Express Canada, blah, 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 blah. Those are the keywords. Okay, Express Entry Canada, Canada Express Entry. I think this is the program that we were talking about. Let's see. This is the program that we were talking to, immigrate through Express Entry. Okay, cool. So if that's the program, we're getting it for 2 cents. Why are we getting it for 2 cents? Because it says in the Keyword Planner that it was 60 cents to like $1. 2 cents is a lot less than 60 cents, especially when you're doing this at scale, right? Like that's 30 times more. It's a lot. So what I'm thinking is it has to be going to another country, but how is it getting to that other country? So in here, Canada. I think it might be the silly thing. So Google does have this kind of ugly thing. So let's see. So it's going to Canada and the United States. But if we open up location, yeah, there it is. Include presence or interest, people in, regularly in, or who have shown interest in your included locations. Or presence, people in your locations. There's one place where we can see where people actually were when they were searching. So if we go into our report editor, I don't want to be in an ad group. I want to be in a campaign. Thank you. Campaign performance. Thank you. All right. So this is this campaign. Let's go into location. Country, territory, user location. Got him. Pakistan, Iraq, Egypt, all these clicks. Let's look at everything. I wonder how much of everything is just Nigeria, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Iraq, Egypt, Kenya, Algeria, Pakistan, the Philippines, Iraq. Google stealing their money and sending it to Nigeria, Pakistan, Ethiopia. So, yeah, this is shit. That's why. It's just not the right place. Like I would gladly advertise to Kenya and the Philippines if I was selling things to people in Kenya and the Philippines, but I'm not. I'm supposed to be selling things to people in Canada and America. So we can fix that. And then, of course we can fix everything else up. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. All right. Goodbye.